ready to fuel your favorite creators' passions and unlock exclusive content. Let's dive into how you can easily use your debit card to support them on Patreon. First, head over to Patron.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just sign up. It's super quick and easy. Now find the creator you want to support. You can search for them directly or browse through Patreon's Discover page. Once you're on their page, look for the Become a Patron button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it. You'll see different membership tiers offered by the creator, each with unique benefits and prices. Take your time to explore the options and choose the tier that best suits your budget and what you'd like to receive in return. Next, you'll be directed to the payment information page here. Select the debit card option. You'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVC code, and billing address. Double check everything to make sure it's accurate. After entering your details, click the Confirm Payment button. Patreon might process a small test charge to verify your card. Don't worry, it'll be refunded quickly. And that's it. You're officially a patron. You'll now have access to the exclusive content and perks offered by your chosen tier. And you'll be directly supporting the creator you love. Enjoy being part of a thriving community.